Hi everybody, happy Monday. Hope you are doing amazing today because Sunday we had a break and now we are back to our life, that is working mode. So yesterday I was sharing about the hunger pangs. Most of my friends just text me personally and asked how can we control. So I thought why not I give you more details about why does in first place hunger pangs come. Okay. Hi Sheta, good morning. Hope you can hear me. Let me connect my mic. Good morning, Shweta. Can you hear me? Just say yes or no. Hello. Okay. So, very good morning to you, Shweta. So yesterday I was telling about hunger pranks, right? So as my most of my friends said, "Whoa, how can we control and everything?" So I thought, why not just share this to you all how you can control. Now in our culture, right? How many of you have experienced your grannies, your grandmother, and your mothers have told when you go to kitchen, have a smile and be happy. When you're happy, the cooking comes very well. So food and emotions are connected. So when we know, so there are two type of eating. One is physical eating, one is emotional eating. So physical eating क्या है? जब हम कोई workouts करते हैं, right? हमारी body को need होती है for energy. So when you go to a gym, walk or anything, you have burned some calories and your body require food to function, right? For example, if you are driving a car, right, it requires engine to go long way. You cannot just drive away simply. Same way, when we do some physical activity, we eat. That's normal. Now, what is emotional eating? Emotions, there are 27 emotions, okay, but majorly they are categorized in 6 emotions, and which we all know. And when we compare to men and a woman, women are more emotional as we express more, and that makes us more emotional. Okay, now what are the emotions I'm talking? We could be happy, we could be sad, we have fears, we feel disgusted. What else we feel, right? We feel embarrassed, we feel pride, we feel proud of it. So there are a lot of emotions which drives our life and the choices of food we make. For example, when I am stressed out, I eat a lot. So whenever we get stressed out, हमारे को क्या होता है कि जब हमको अच्छा अभी बहुत जोर से गुस्सा आ रहा है, you can't shout at that person. What do? You end up eating food which is not good for you. Either could be any fried item or a biryani. You just try gabbling until your anger has come down. So the anger has created to eat more, right? So our emotions are connected to our food. So before you jump on eating food, try to understand why are you eating that food? What comfort it is giving? Is it anger? Is it taking out your giving you happiness, or it is taking out your fear, or what is exactly doing, right? So whenever like recently this Lion King movie came, right? Most of would have seen at their childhood days when they went and now and saw all the childhood memories, good bad would have evolved, how they watched the movie, what emotions they gone through, right? So emotions play a very big role when it comes to your eating. So how you can control that? So if when I used to get stressed, I used to do a lot of shopping, which is a cost, right? But that makes me happy. I used to do. But can I spend so much money every time? No. So what I tried, right? I started doing a window shopping in online, so that at least when I imagine what kind of dress I'm wearing, it gives me comfort. So what happened? I'm taking out my stress. Same way, when we most of the women they get depressed or stressed because our emotions are like so quickly. Boys say girls are so moody, right? Because we are emotional and we express ourselves. But sometimes what happens, no, we don't share our emotions and we keep it to ourselves and we find that emotion. For example, if we are looking for love, right, and we are not getting from our partner, we try to eat a lot of sweets because that gives up dopamine and we start feeling very good about ourselves. So हम जितना भी अपने फूड से जो इमोशंस हमें नहीं मिलते हैं उनको लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, तब हम बहुत सारा फूड खाना शुरू कर देते हैं. That's how we create a habit of binge eating. Most of us watch movie, sit and eat. That movie is creating an emotion under us. It could be happiness, sadness, anything, any movie you take it, any movie you see, right? So you enjoy the food when you're at your emotional level eating, and all the time we are emotional, right? So we need to control our emotions to eat right. So you need to identify what is your favorite foods. Are they high calorie or low calorie? And how can avoid them is like, hi Kumar Chaudhary, thank you for joining. So if you have any question, do text in the comment box, I'll try to reply. So today I'm talking about I'm sorry. So if you control your emotions, you can eat well. So always remember, control your emotions and try to get the better food. And you want to avoid some food, you can do this exercise. Just close your eyes and start imagining the food which you love. It could be biryani that you're eating at your stress level. Okay, try to do along with me. Just close your eyes and imagine it's biryani or whatever your favorite food comes to your mind, and try to visualize. Now think somebody has shit on them. Will you try to consume them? No. So you have got that nausea on it. Oh God, I can't eat biryani anymore. So to hate somebody or to hate some food, you can try this technique. But to control your binge eating, you need to control your emotions, as our emotions are connected to food. So अपने emotions को control कीजिए और उसके बदले जैसे भी आपके जो habits हैं या जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है. I love dancing, so I do dancing. Okay, so whatever talent you have in you, try to do that which give you the same comfort whatever that food is giving. So I hope you all try this and eat what you love, but control your emotions and you will eat right. Have a great day. Bye bye.